Hello and welcome back to another video. Here we are going to solve another few questions from Specimen paper Pure Mathematics 1 for the examination from 2020, and it is 970901. So let's start with the question number 2, as we have done the question number 1 in the previous video. Here is the question number 2. Functions f and g are defined as this: fx as 3x plus 2 for all real numbers and gx as 4x minus 12 for all real numbers. And we need to solve the equation f inverse of x is equal to g f of x. So first of all, we need to find what are these two values. I will draw the diagram so that we can see what we are actually going to find out. See, here we can see this is fx line fx, and this is line g of x, and this is going to be the f inverse of x, which is of course we are going to find here, and this is the composite function gf of x. So these all graphs are there, and we can see if you are equating when solving for it, it means we are finding this value, and this is going to be 0.286, and we will find right now. So first of all, for f inverse x, we will write y is equal to 3x plus 2, and then we'll make x as a subject. That is going to be x is equal to 3 times y plus 2. We have exchanged the y and x, and now it becomes x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to y, and this y is f inverse of x. So it is x minus 2 over 3. And g of, so next function is g of f of x, that is g of fx is 3x plus 2. Now we will replace this input here, and it is going to be 4 times this input 3x plus 2 minus 12, which is 12 plus 8 minus 12. So it is 12x, so it is 12x minus 4. So we have this, and now we will solve this equation, means x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 12x minus 4, and we are going to solve for the values of x. Value of x will get only one value because there are two lines, and lines intersect at one point only. So it can be written as x minus, and we'll transfer it here, and we will transfer this thing over here, and it become 12 minus 2, that is 10, is equal to 36x minus x is 35x, which will give x as 10 over 35, and we can calculate it is going to be 0.286 to correct to 3 significant figure. So the value is 0.286, or we can write it as in the simplest form: 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. So it is 0.286 or 2 by 7. Both are correct. I hope it is okay. Let's solve the next question now. And here is the question number 3. An arithmetic progression has first term 7, the nth term is 84, and 3 nth term is 245. Find the value of n. So we can take the first term as a, so a is 7, and nth term we will take common difference, we'll take it as d. So nth term is, according to the formula, nth term we'll write it as an, which is of course going to be a plus n minus 1 into d. So from the question it is given as 84, and a is 7, so we'll simplify. 7 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 84, or we can solve it for it and it is going to be n minus 1 into d is equal to 84 minus 7, that is 77. So we have n minus 1 into d as 77, and 3nth term is 245, means a3n, which is of course a plus 3n minus 1 into d, which is 245. So it is going to be 7 plus 3n into d minus d is equal to 245. We'll transfer it here. So we got this value. We'll solve for n now. So we need to get rid of this d first. So first of all we'll get d from here so that we can eliminate it. So d from here is 77 over n minus 1. So we will replace it here. It is 3n into 77 over n minus 1 minus 77 over n minus 1 is equal to 238, or we'll multiply everywhere by n minus 1, so we will get it as 3 into 77. It is 3 7 is 21 into 11. 21 into 11 is times n minus 1. So we will simplify for n now. It is 231 and it is 238, so we'll transfer it there, and 238 I'll bring it here, so it becomes 238 minus 77 is equal to 238n minus 231n, and 238 minus 231 is 7, so it becomes 7n, and from here 8 minus 7 1, and 13 minus 7 is 6, so 161 is equal to 7n, or n is equal to 161 over 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21, so value of n is 23. I hope it was of some help. So that's it for this video. We will discuss next few questions in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.